Today we are going to react to Open the Bottle video song. It's starring Puneet Rajkumar and Vijay Prakash. I hope I'm saying it correctly and they are starring in this, and one of them is not a director or something. It's from the movie Natasa Varbhauma. I hope I'm saying it right. It has around 11 million views, more than 11 million views actually, and 74,000 upvotes. That's absolutely fantastic. It was suggested to me by Shivraj Talwar. He said that please reaction, Open the Bottle video song. It's amazing, dance skills, really enjoyed your please do reaction. So I got the idea that he needs me to react to it. So we are going to react to it, but before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you will never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter are in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At the same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood, or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So without further ado, let's start. Prabhudeva? There was Prabhudeva? No. Okay, that's a reverse motion, right? Wow. I saw this Allu Arjun doing in Bottaboma. Okay, this is full of energy, man. Okay, we don't have any subtitles, so I'm sorry, I won't be able to understand it. Nice. Superman. Oh, wow. The bottles are empty. Wow. Doing that in formal pants, it's one of the difficult things ever. I always have a fear of tearing out from various delicate places actually. Superb, man. My god, what is this? Nice. Wow. One more, come on, one more. Come on. Nice. Superb. Oh my god. Snake thing? What is this guy? Who is this guy? This is the first time I ever seeing him. Damn, man, I'm not able to know. Hey, there was a nice camera technique over there. Really nice camera techniques actually. He's a great dancer, man. He's a really great dancer. Who is this guy? Wow. This is a fun party I want to attend to, man. Superb. Okay, he might be another star or something. Even he's too good with that, man. Wow! What was that? Oh my. Superb, man, superb. Wow. The camera techniques are really fantastic, the way they are carrying it out. Absolutely superb. Superb, man, superb. This is something very unique I have seen. Look at the legwork, absolutely fantastic. Superb, man, absolutely superb. How the hell are they doing this? I really hope I don't get copyright claim on this, man. This is absolutely fantastic. I want to see again and again. Superb, man, superb. I don't know what to say about this, but it is like really fantastic. Like how all the steps they carried out. The camera technique was fantastic. The background dancers did a pretty good job. It was not that much of really necessary for the girls to appear, but it was a like party song, so like it was necessary for some of the girls to appear in that. I guess Puneet Rajkumar was the person, the main person who was dancing. He's absolutely fantastic how he was carrying it out. I mean, I have never seen such great energy and such different form of dancing in just like mashed up into one song. Absolutely superb, yeah. I mean, what is this movie and who is this guy? Is there many songs like this of this particular guy, or is this just one song? Please do let me know in the comments. And how is the movies of this particular person, because I have never seen him any point of time, never in the TV or in any of the channels they show any movies of this particular person. So please do let me know what he's all about actually. Yeah, so I hope you like my reaction, because I really like this song actually. It was really fantastic. Please do give a big like to this particular video, so I know you like my reaction and also inspired, motivated to do more videos for you guys. And also do subscribe my channel, also the bell icon, so you never miss any updates from me. Also links to the Instagram and Twitter are in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, I would love to hear from you guys. So until the next trailer, next video, next song, I would request you to stay connected.